Rugged, bold, and built to conquer, the Mahindra Thar is an icon in the world of off-road vehicles. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or just love a powerful SUV, the Thar has a lot to offer. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its design, performance, features, and why it has become a favorite among car lovers. Let's get started. One glance at the Mahindra Thar, and you know it means business. The iconic 7-slot grille, high ground clearance, and rugged body structure give it an aggressive stance. It comes with LED daytime running lights, dual-tone bumpers, and large 18-inch alloy wheels that not only look stylish but also enhance off-road capability. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of ruggedness and modern technology. The Thar comes with a well-laid-out dashboard featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The washable interior is a bonus, making it perfect for those who love off-road adventures. The front seats are well bolstered, and the rear seats now offer better comfort compared to the previous generation. Powering the Mahindra Thar are two engine options. A 2.0 Lm Stallion turbo petrol engine producing 150 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, and a 2.2 Lm Hawk diesel engine churning out 130 bhp and 300 Nm of torque. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 4x4 drivetrain with a low-range transfer case ensures you can take on any terrain with confidence. The Mahindra Thar is built for adventure. With an approach angle of 41.2 degrees, departure angle of 36 degrees, and water weighting capacity of 650 millimeters, this SUV can tackle challenging landscapes effortlessly. The mechanical locking differential and brake locking differential provide excellent traction even in the trickiest conditions. Despite its tough nature, the Thar doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, roll cage, hill hold and hill descent control. The touchscreen infotainment system displays real-time adventure statistics, tire pressure monitoring, and navigation to make your journeys easier. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Thar offers around 13 to 15 km/L for the petrol variant and 15 to 18 km/L for the diesel variant, depending on driving conditions. It's not the most fuel-efficient SUV, but considering its off-road capabilities, it's a reasonable trade-off. The Mahindra Thar is available in multiple variants, with prices ranging from 10.5 Indian rupees lakh to 16.5 Indian rupees lakh ex showroom. It comes in AX, LX, and hardtop soft-top configurations, allowing you to choose one that best suits your needs. So, should you buy the Mahindra Thar if you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and highly capable off-road SUV with modern features, the Thar is a great choice. It's not just a car, it's a statement of adventure and freedom. However, if you need a daily city commuter with high fuel efficiency, you might want to consider other options. What do you think about the Mahindra Thar? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and explore the wild.